Rick, if the governor does sign Senate 58 into law, then it would decriminalize the personal use of certain plant-based psychedelics. So this would be only for those over the age of 21, but one county sheriff argues that those underage would still be vulnerable.
People say it's not a gateway drug, but I'd argue it is a gateway drug.
Tulare County's Sheriff Mike Boudreau says that from plant-based psychedelics, worse conditions could sprout.
We have people that are starting that used marijuana in 8th grade, 7th grade, and into their high school who are now using methamphetamine, cocaine, different higher level drugs.
He argues something like this could happen if psilocybin, psilocin, DMT, and mescaline are decriminalized. That's even if there are penalties for the underage and if those plant-based drugs are used on school grounds.
Because allowing the usage of psychedelics would actually put everybody at risk in California.
That legalization hanging in the balance as Senate Bill 58 sits on the governor's desk.
He already got a pathway towards more complete legalization.
And Sheriff Boudreau points out a potential cost to California taxpayers.
So the financial impacts to this is going to be significantly overwhelming when it comes to training thousands of law enforcement officers up and down the state of California.
Training, Sheriff Boudreau argues, would be necessary for this reason. More potential calls for service related to the use of hallucinogens may arise. Boudreau believes that the unhoused and those struggling with their mental health could be more vulnerable to addiction. While Senate Bill 58's author, Senator Scott Wiener, told Fox 40 in the past that psychedelics have eased the mental health challenges of military veterans diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder.
Any substance, anything, can lead to a bad result. For the vast majority of people, they do not have a bad result. They have improved the lives of countless people.
And one speaker did point out that the CHP did write a letter to Governor Gavin Newsom about their concerns of the recreational use of psychedelics becoming legal, being a problem for people on roadways, making those roadways more unsafe. And of course, now we know that this bill has passed in both the Senate as well as the Assembly. So now it's just up to the governor of what will happen next. Live at the state capitol, covering local news that matters, Kristen Barton, Fox 40 News.